Today we're talking about practical home organization hacks you can use with items you can find at your local dollar store. As you know, most items sold today are marketed for a particular use. However, there are no hard fast rules that state you must use the items for their intended purpose. Hello everyone, Mrs. H here, and this video is packed with a ton of useful hacks on how to keep your home organized on a budget. So before we get started, if you would, go ahead and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so YouTube knows that this is the kind of content you enjoy. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Hack number 1. Use dollar store tension rods underneath cabinets to organize cleaning products and spray bottles. While most of us regularly use the bottom of our cabinets to the fullest extent possible, the air above often goes wasted, at least until now. Hack number 2. Use clear dollar store glass jars with lids, or better yet, empty, cleaned spaghetti jars. You could paint or decoupage the lids to organize and even beautify bathroom or kitchen items like cotton swabs, cotton balls, pasta, rice, or even dishwasher packets or laundry pearls. Hack number 3. Use decorative dollar store wall hooks on the back of bathroom doors to hang towels or robes. Now, while this effectively utilizes the wasted space, be careful not to allow these hooks to become catch-alls. Hack number 4. Hang a dollar store net or several from the ceiling of kids' rooms to organize stuffed animals, taking advantage of the wasted space above. You can use dollar store wall hooks to hang them from corner to corner, but nothing heavier than stuffed animals should be organized on high. Hack number 5. Hang a dollar store picture frame, preferably an 11 by 14, displaying artwork that you love and that corresponds with your home's decor. You can then rest a dry erase marker on top of the frame or even hang it from the frame with dollar store twine, and you now have beautiful artwork that doubles as a decorative message board for the entire family to use. Here's a bonus hack. Everything in your house should have a home, and nothing should ever be used as a catch-all. Hopefully these hacks have given you some inspiration to get your creative juices flowing so you can find more dollar or discount store items that you can use to organize your home. Thank you so much for watching. For more like this coming down the pike, all we ask is that you please like. Now that you're aware, please share. And as always, if you want to be a part of the tribe, please subscribe. Above all, be kind.